We hope you enjoyed the show.
Wow. Thank you so much, boys and girls. This was our first assembly for the year, and it was really, really well done. And I want to thank you for waking us up to the reality, right? That each and every one of us here today is responsible to save the earth and responsible to keep our environment clean. So thank you so much. They'll also be sharing what they are currently studying in social studies. This is their social studies topic. So thank you very, very much. I think they deserve a round of applause. And I want to thank our P6 teachers for their hard work and their efforts and a great assembly. Thank you so much. I guess you guys are known as the Green Team, right? Yeah, so thank you very, very much. And on the same note of keeping our environment clean, we at MAC have a recycling program that is constantly and going on all the time. So boys and girls, you should all be aware of recycling on a daily basis. And also in keeping our environment clean, we need to start within our classrooms, right? And once we start in our classrooms, then we have to start in our playgrounds. And then we have to make sure that our school environment is kept clean. So do you remember that we are having our MAC Clean Class competition for this year? Remember, we started that. And I want to remind you that that's still going on. So we have been checking the classrooms and making sure that you are keeping them neat and tidy and clean at all times. And also the playgrounds, right? Make sure that you pick up all your trash, all the litter, all the papers before you go back. So remember, our Clean Class competition is going on at the moment. At this point, I'm going to call on Mr. Arvin. We have an award that we'd like to do to a few of our P6 girls. So I'm going to ask Mr. Arvin to join me.
Thank you, Mr. Alexander. We would like to grab this opportunity to recognize traditional wushu championship.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations. May I call on Denzel from P6A, Rina, P6C, Natalie, P6C, Darlene, P6B, Dora, P6B, Hillary, P6A, Jamita, P6C, and Nicole, P6C. They got silver medal in the 2014 Macau basketball competition.
Yeah!
Congratulations, let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you, Ms. Alexander.
Right. Once again, I want to thank our P6 students. and teachers for a great assembly. I want to thank our parents for joining us this morning. It's always lovely to have you with us. Thank you so much. Can we give our parents a round of applause? Thank you very, very much. I hope you enjoy watching the film. Before we leave today, I'm going to ask the P6s to remain behind, and parents, you have the opportunity to take some photographs after the assembly. We're going to stand quietly and we're going to sing our school anthem this morning before we dismiss.